Good morning, dear students. In 7th standard, chapter 3, our next topic is how to write chemical formulas with them. In my last video, I told you about ions. Charged particles are called ions. There are two types of ions, positive and negative. In your book on page 34, I told you that different ions are given. Go through them and learn. In the same way, on next page, negative ions are there. Chloride, oxide, hydroxide, carbonates, sulfates, like this. You have to go through them and learn them in this class. How they are formed, that I will teach you in 9th standard. Now, प्रोसीजर फॉलोड फॉर राइटिंग दीज आयंस. क्या प्रोसीजर होगा इनको आयंस को लिखने का? मीन्स आयंस को इनके केमिकल फॉर्मूला को लिखने का जो आयंस से बनते हैं. नंबर 1, सिंबल्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयन इज रिटन फर्स्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेटा, सोडियम क्लोराइड है. सोडियम क्लोराइड में पॉजिटिव और ये नेगेटिव. जो पॉजिटिव वाला सिंबल है दैट वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट, और जो नेगेटिव वाला सिंबल है आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट द negative symbol. Then if there is any common factor, it should be removed. Like for example, calcium oxide. Calcium has 2 positive, oxide has 2 negative. Both of them have common factor 2. So these 2 should be removed and the formula becomes CaO. Now the third one, charges of 2 ions are crisscrossed. What do you mean by crisscrossed? For example, sodium oxide and a positive or 2 negative. Beta here, crisscross means this 2 will come here at the bottom of sodium, and this 1, if nothing is there means it is 1, it will come here just at the bottom of oxygen, means at this place. So this is the third point. At the bottom right of the symbol of the 2 ions means bottom on the right hand side. So the formula will become Na2O. I will explain some of the example. Listen carefully, beta. Number 1, calcium oxide. Look here on page 34. The symbol of calcium is Ca2 positive. Ca2 positive. Now, another box having negative symbol on page 35. The formula of oxide is O2 negative. So the formula, these 2 will cancel with each other. Means this is common factor. It will be removed. The formula becomes CaO. Like this. Number 2, sodium chloride. Sodium Na positive. Chloride Cl negative. So if nothing is there, it means here it is 1. Now the formula become Na. This 1 will come here, and Cl, this 1 will come here. So the formula become sodium chloride. Now next example, calcium chloride. Look here, calcium has formula Ca2 positive, chloride is Cl negative. Now Ca, this 1, nothing is there, it means 1. When we crisscross it, this 1 will come here. No need of writing 1. Ca, Cl and 2 will come here at the bottom on the right hand side. So the formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. Number 4, Aluminium sulfate. Beta, aluminium is Al3 positive, sulfate is SO4 2 negative. Here aluminium is single element. It has valency 3 positive, means its charge is 3 positive. SO4 is polyatomic ion. These both are ions, but here there is single element. In this case there are two elements, sulfur and oxygen. Sulfate is made by one atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. So the formula becomes SO4 2 negative. Now the formula of aluminium sulfate, Al, here 2, SO4, this 3 will come here. If I write here 3, it will become 43. So this is not the correct way of writing 3. You should make a bracket. You have to put bracket here and then put 3. So the formula becomes Al2SO4 whole thrice. In the same way, aluminium chloride. Aluminium is Al3 positive, chloride is Cl negative. So it will become AlCl3. Let me take some more example. Number 6. Calcium carbonate is there in your book. Calcium beta, calcium Ca2 positive, carbonate CO3 2 negative. So the formula becomes CaCO3. These